Hey everybody, it's Sanford, the groundskeeper. Today I am going to hook up a choke cable to this. I don't approve hooking up the throttle cable to the lever here because it's plastic and that's not a lasting solution. So let's dive in. First off, if you're new to the lawn and garden or small engines, take your cover and your air filter out. Set them to a side. $10mm. Take this bolt out. On the last video, I know I said it's a non-predator, but it is a predator, but it's a non-Hemi. It's just a regular Predator 420. Harbor Freight didn't have one in stock, so that's fine. All I want to do is get this tractor going and running. Take your two nuts, take them off. And try not to drop these. Pull your hose here and just slide it off. There you go. I'm eliminating the emissions. That's why there's no tank. I'm installing this. This is the Honda Stay Choke kit. You can hook a cable up to it. Set up the same way as the throttle. I will link the part number down in the description. I lost the part number to the air box. Remove this. That's all it does. This also replaces the spacer. Set that to a side. Pull your carburetor. Should have put it on open. There we go. There's a pin. This pin. It sits in the slot. Take it. Do that. Get one started. Slide it back. You have now installed the Stay Choke. The Honda air filter. $25 on eBay. That was $30. I found this one on Amazon. But you can get the same thing on eBay. It comes with a filter. This notch corresponds with that slot. Take it. And send it home. With the Predator, that piece sits too low. It hits this. That's why I'm changing this. This is for a GX 340 or a GX 390 Honda. Now you put your nuts back on. And, oh, there it is. and you tighten it down. Don't forget your bolt. You might have to push a little bit to line it up because the hole don't really line up that very well, but it will go on. Sorry if I was in the way to take it. I just didn't want to block this. You put your air box on, just like that. But before you put this piece back on, let's do the cable.